Welcome, I'm STEK Michael. We're back at our friends Prestige Auto Salon here in Seattle, Washington for a special project. Now, it's not the Audi R8 or the RS6 Avance to my right or the Rolls Royce to my left. It's going to be a 25 Subaru Forester, but it's getting the final coat treatment, which is our newest ceramic coating, and honestly, a perfect match for that Forester. They're just about to get the car all prepped up, so let's go inside, check it out, and talk a little bit more. All right, we got the Forester pulled in, all washed, and they did a quick buff on it. Now we're blowing out any of the compound, the back end here, and just about ready for applying final coat. Go ahead and check it out as we dive into the install bay. The reason that we're doing ceramic coating on a Forester is because this is just a lease. They're going to trade this car in a few years from now. They want it to look as good as possible when they trade it in. They also want to make sure it looks good while they own it, and it's a little bit easier to keep clean. So the final coat is extremely hydrophobic. The water beading effect is going to be very similar to the dyno top coat of our paint protection films. So we've already busted out the hood and Jack's going on the doors, but this is just the first layer of a multi-layer coating. So final coat, we are going to want to add 2-3 layers over the paint here to give it the most durability possible. But what we already noticed on the hood is it adds a lot of richness and depth to that paint color, a little bit more luster, if you will. And so we're excited to see the whole car transform. And when we pull this guy out in the sunshine, you'll see just how deep this final coat has allowed the black factory paint to pop, and just how hydrophobic it is as we pour some water over it as well. So we'll let these guys get back to work and add a few more layers here, but stay tuned. And just like that, the Subaru Forester is fully protected in our final coat. The guys at Prestige did an amazing job, and it's ready to hit the open road. Now, again, why the final coat made sense for this vehicle is it's just a lease. That hydrophobic property and just the extreme slickness of it we were showing you, but also has some scratch resistance. So not the same as PPF, but life surface scratches from, say, washing your vehicle aren't really a concern. It's not actually gonna hit or hurt the factory paint. Now, if it is a deeper scratch, something that you can maybe feel with your fingernail, chances are that has gone through the coating into the paint, but a lot of that just regular wear and tear from owning it over the next few years of the lease will be protected thanks to STEK's final coat. Now it can hang out comfortably with his boxer brother, the GT3 RS, and the little 4-cylinder that's in this guy. And even though they're different breeds, you know, there's something to be said there about what Subaru has going on. So thanks for tuning in. If you guys are interested in final coat, make sure to check out our website.